Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to show you how to vault a project collection on Emblem Vision. First, you're going to open up emblem.vision, and you're going to go over and select project. Now, underneath it says vault any single NFT from the selected project in the collection. So what does that specifically mean? It means that this entire selection is specific to a unique collection from a specific blockchain. So, for example, Age of Chains is a counterparty collection, Bitcoin Frogs is a Bitcoin Ordinals collection, Bit is a Namecoin collection, Mbells is a Bells coin collection, and it goes so on and so forth to some familiar ones. We're going to vault today Rare Pepe because that is the most popular collection in the Emblem Vault ecosystem. Now, remember, you can only vault and send one asset inside of these. All of these project focused collections are one of one vaults. If you send anything more than one asset to that vault, you will not be able to mint it. That is a security practice. Also, if you send the wrong asset to a vault, if it's a ERC-1155 like this Rare Pepe tutorial, then you will also not be able to vault it. So we're going to choose Rare Pepe, and today I'm going to be vaulting a drone Pepe. So you can come down here and type in drone Pepe. Come down here. Now that it's selected, I can only send drone Pepe to this vault. I'm going to go ahead and click create. It's going to load, and then it's going to populate with a vault that's going to give me a deposit address. So as we sit here and wait, you can see that it is populated. There's a handful of actions up here, which you don't need to pay attention to initially. Just note that the vaulting fee is $20. So to mint, it's going to be $20 plus whatever the gas fee is on Ethereum in this example, but it could be Solana or Bitcoin or an L2 if you are watching this at some point in the future at the time of this recording. So how to vault, you're going to come down here and click the deposit address. This is what you are going to send the drone Pepe to. So I'm going to go over here and click copy, and then I'm going to go open up my wallet and send the drone Pepe. I'm going to go do that right now. We will be back here pretty shortly. All right. And you can see here that the transaction has processed, and we scroll down and we see drone Pepe is here in the balances. If it doesn't show up, you can always go over here and hit the refresh button, but it did show up automatically. Even if, let's see if I hit refresh, if the traits will automatically populate. See, there it is. You just have to refresh and the traits will populate. You come up here and hit mint. Now we're going to go ahead and mint the vault because the vault has acknowledged. As you can see over here, this is a new feature where it is a vault minting loading screen. I'm gonna go over here and hit sign, and then I'm going to get a gas transaction, and I'm gonna go ahead and mint the vault. And once you sign that gas transaction, you just sit here and you just wait. It says your vault is now minting, and this is a different experience from Emblem Vision. We put this loading screen in here so that you can sit here and wait. We ask for you not to close out the tab. You can go ahead and open up another one. Just do not close this one now. It could sometimes misconfigure the metadata inside the vault if it is not loaded. Once a transaction is complete on your MetaMask, it will confirm here as it says the vault has successfully been minted on Ethereum, and it will close out, and boom, you're ready to go. You can see that after you hit refresh on the left-hand side, you will get the marketplaces and the loans. So you could go overhead and open up OpenSea Looks Rare. We will add Emblem Markets. If you want to unvault, you just go ahead and click this. You have the backup vault. And you can go ahead and you can always click my vaults, and you can see I already had the tabs open, but there it is. right here, the first one minted. And you can always go back and view inside of it to do whatever you'd like. We've successfully minted a rare Pepe Vault on Emblem Vision. See you guys next time.